Bhagyalakshmi, Department of Mathematics in SNS College of Technology. Today we are going to discuss about the nature of the quadratic form. Let Q equal to x transpose Ex be a quadratic form in n variables x1, x2, etc. xn. First we can calculate the rank. If you want to calculate the rank, the number of non-zero eigenvalues. So eigenvalues we can calculate easily. So that in that the non-zero eigenvalues are their rank. Next, index the number of positive square terms in the canonical form. Positive terms, negative terms both we will get as eigenvalues. Here we want, for the index we want to consider only positive terms. Next is signature. The difference between the number of positive terms and negative squares terms is in the canonical form. So positive terms minus negative terms, the counting only we get. Next we can calculate the nature of this positive definite. So nature means nothing, it is here we split it as positive definite, positive semi-definite, negative definite, negative semi-definite and indefinite. In 5 categories we splitted these terms. So first thing is we can calculate the positive definite. Positive definite nothing, all the eigenvalues are positive. If all positive semi-definite, if all the eigenvalues are positive, at least one of the eigenvalues is 0. So all the values are positive and one of the values is 0. For example, 0, 0, 3, 5, this value we got. So for one sum we got like this. So this is called as positive semi-definite. Next one is negative definite. If all the eigenvalues are negative, we call it as negative definite. Next, same thing, if all the eigenvalues are negative and at least one of the eigenvalue is 0, then it is called as negative semi-definite. And if it is not categorized by these four if it is not satisfied by these 4 categories, then it is called as indefinite. That is, if it has both positive and negative eigenvalues, we call it as indefinite. So after this, I am Bhagyalakshmi, Department of Mathematics, SNS College of Technology. Today we discuss about the canonical forms. Already we know the quadratic form Q equal to x transpose Ax. Likewise, the canonical form is we derived from the diagonalized matrix, that is y transpose dy. Multiplying these 3 we get the canonical form. Based on this we can, and some more problems we can discuss based on this nature of this canonical quadratic form. And the matrix format for the quadratic form is already we discussed. From this model, the given equation sum is x1 square plus 2x2, that is x1 square and x2 square. These two values are given 1 and 2. We discussed about this sum already. And here we got the eigenvalues at 1, 2 and 0. These 3 values only we got. So checking from these 3 values we can write the nature of this matrix. So what is the nature means? It is given all the values are positive and one of the value is 0. So we can call it this is positive semi-definite. And next one is we can calculate the for the given matrix rank, index, signature, and what type of the nature also we can calculate for this canonical forms. It is given in terms of y, so we call it this as canonical forms. The first sum is y1 square and y1 square plus 3y2 square plus 4y3 square. So y1 square is the coefficient of y1. So the coefficients is 1, 3 and 4. So all the values are non-zero eigenvalues. 3 values we got. So the rank is 3. Next one is index. So index means number of positive square terms. So number of positive are 1, 3, 4. All the three values, the coefficient of these three values are diagonal values as well as our lambda values, eigenvalues. So these three values are positive square values only. So the answer is 3. Next is signature. So difference between the positive and negative square terms. Positive terms is 3 and negative terms is 0. So if we calculate the difference between these two, we get the answer as 3. Next we can go for the nature. So all the three values are positive only. So we can write fix this as positive definite. So this way we can calculate easily. So and we go for the next sum, x1 square. So x1 here the coefficients are -1, +1 and 4. So for these it is not a 0, any one of the value is not 0. So the rank is 3. Next index, the positive terms only we want to write in a index. So one value is here, the first value is the negative term, so only two positive values here. So this is index for us for this and a signature we want to calculate. Signature means number of positive terms minus number of negative terms. So positive terms are 2 and a negative term is 1. So 2 minus 1 is 1. So and one more thing, first two values are, first value is negative and for third value, second value is positive and the third value mixed, it is having together, positive negative having together. So there we can fix this as indefinite. So this way we can calculate all the values of the nature, rank, index, order, all the categories we can write. One more sum we can discuss. So here the sum is 3y square plus 15y cube. Only two values are given, so we can write in order. The y1 square value is not given, that is 0 y1 square plus 3 y2 square plus 15. So 0, 3, 15. In this, the rank is all with non-zero values only we want to write. So 3 and 15 only the two possible values. Therefore, the rank is 2. And the index is the number of positive values. So positive values are 3 and 15. So this index also 2. And signature. Signature nothing, it is positive value minus negative value. Here positive values, we won't consider this 0. So positive values are 2 minus negative values are 0. So 2 minus 0 is 2. So here all the values, all the eigenvalues are positive, 0, 3, 15. In this all the values are positive and one is 0. So we can call it as same positive semi-definite. Thank you.